Hello, welcome to BrainTech. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Trust Wallet app and how to put the price alerts on. So first of all, you're gonna log in to your Trust Wallet app, and then you click on the Settings tab on the left. Here you can see all kinds of options, but the first one is what we are looking for, the price alerts. You click on it. Here you can turn it on, and here you can see all the cryptos, and with the plus icon you can put more crypto coins into your alerts. So you get notified of price changes of your favorite cryptos. Here you can turn it off and on. You can add more. Let's say, for example, we want to add Litecoin to the list. Here is Litecoin. You click on it and it's in the list. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any further questions about the Trust Wallet app, please let me know down below in the comments. Please like the video, subscribe, and have a nice day.